So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to start your HIPAA compliance on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and then search Zoho CRM. Now select the first website and log into your account right here. And after that click on this profile picture icon and now select Access Zoho CRM. Now choose this settings icon and select this compliance settings option. Now just click on this HIPAA compliance and switch on this button, and after that you can also select your modules, which can be leads, contacts or vendors, and after that you can also choose your personal health data handling right here. And after that you have to click on this button right here called save, and that's how you guys can able to successfully start your HIPAA compliance on Zoho CRM. So that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.